In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Punjab University Test MCQ. That is, if W is equal to f of z equal to 1 plus z divide 1 minus z, then f of z is non-analytic at solution theorem. That is, a rational function f of z is equal to p of z divided by q of z, where p and q are polynomial functions, is analytic in any domain D that contains no point z naught for which q into z naught is equal to 0. Since f of z is equal to 1 plus z divided by 1 minus z contains a point z is equal to 1 at which the denominator 1 minus z is equal to 0. Hence f of z is equal to 1 plus z divided by 1 minus z is analytic everywhere except z is equal to 1. So option C is correct. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.